Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a Mackie Zirc Capsule slider here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little guy, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? Zirc Mackie Capsule. It's nice. It comes in a nice package. This box has, of course, like the serial number, which has to be matching the one engraved right over here. So just to make sure you buy something genuine and not a fake product. Don't support counterfeits. And then you can just pluck this guy out. Underneath you're gonna find a little envelope with a couple of stickers and this Torx bit screw that's gonna allow you to disassemble this guy. I mean, not much to disassemble, but yeah, if you want to do it, that's an option. So what is this? This is a pretty cool slider, guys. It's a Fidget Toy. This guy is made out of zirconium for these two parts over here, and brass for the central part. And there's like 10 neodymium magnets on this side and 6 on this one. And it's a beautiful thing. So the overall length on this guy, let's see, it's gonna be, look at that, 2.169 inches with a overall width of 1.14 inches, and the overall thickness of this guy is gonna be 0.47. So it's a very, very cool size. And to give you a further perspective, here you have, like, for example, Lauti pair of kings. This is very, very interesting. This is Tong Mu Mahjong tile. Another pretty interesting option, of course, is the Ambori full-size coin. I can show you also like a mid-size coin, which is something like that. Also from Lauti, you got the Zirc dice, which is tiny but super cool. Another option you can find as a Fidget Toy, of course, EDC Lung Bulletproof Shield, fantastic one. Mackie Ambori collaboration haptic coin right over there. This is the Black Mirror design dial. And what else can I show you guys? Okay, also Lauti Sam, that's in Zirc. Also, that's a pretty cool Fidget Toy, guys. This is the Gravit Sappa from Compoform. And what else? Okay, this guy too. Chess pawn from Lauti. So you have an idea of the size of this guy. The weight is going to be also very interesting because being Zirc and brass, it has some heft to it. And look at that, 3.62 ounces in the pocket. So, I mean, not too crazy, but you can feel it, that you have something really, really cool and well made, I have to say, in the pocket. So I also happen to have a titanium one, which is this guy, same thing. And we can also check the difference in weight of this one. This feels a little bit different, not too much. So this is going to be 3.19 because titanium, of course, is going to be lighter than the Zirc and brass option. So it's basically the same thing, just different color and different feel and different sound. But also, like, this guy came and it didn't have the issue that the other one had, because these magnets fell out, like 3 or 4 on the titanium, not on this one. So I'm not sure what was going on the other one. And this was absolutely smoother than the titanium in the, like, right out of the box. So just keep that in mind. What is this, guys? This is a pretty cool slider and can also be transformed in a clicker, but we're gonna check that in a second. So basically this is made of 3 parts, 2 slabs of beautifully milled zirconium and 1 slab of brass with neodymium magnets installed, like right there. So this is a slider, it's a Fidget Toy, so it has 2 parts that can slide around the core. So one is this and has like 7 states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 states with a ball that is just running into this track and gets hinged into these holes. So that's why it's making this sound, and that's why it's stopping in these positions. So really, really cool. On the other side, it's a different mechanism. You have one, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like state. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's accomplished this just using magnets. So these positions are achieved because there's a pin right over here which gets into this track over here and doesn't let this guy slide further than that position or further than this position. So that's why you have this very cool action indeed. So you can decide to use just one side, for example, like this one, you see, and just play with one, or you can just go further and deploy also this side over here, or you can just do the opposite and just do like, you know, you just use like on this side, like so. If you want, you deploy the other one. So it's going to be up to you. Another option you have to play with this guy is just to take this magnet side out, just reverse it 180 degrees on this side, and look at that. So the pin right over here, it's going to be on this track, but it's going to be on this side over here. So you can, yeah, do it like that, and it's going to be fine. But also you can do this. And as you can see, it wants to go back. So there is no way. If it goes like that, it means it's not aligned. So it went off track. So it has to stay like that. And that's how you transform this guy into a clicker. Really, really cool indeed. So you have two functions, basically slider and clicker like that. And it's super fidgety, guys. Like you can just do this all day long. You can annoy the heck out of the people around you because it's loud. You can be really loud, but I love this sound. Or you can be discreet and unobtrusive and just play like that and be subtle about it. Or you can use this side over here, which is a little bit louder if you're trying to be discreet, but it's producing an insanely nice sound. It's really, really good, as well as the feedback, the haptic feedback you have in your hand because of the magnets, because of this ball bearing in this track. I'm telling you, it's really, really cool. And also it looks cool because of these grooves. It has a nice traction. It has also like 4 and 8 slots for Tritz vials, which you can install on one side and another 8 on this side over here. So that's it's going to be pretty expensive, of course, but it's going to be super neat and super cool if you are willing to install all those. You have the Mackie engraving here, CP2 on this side. This is the capsule, and it's not a cheap one, guys. This is easily running $200 on the secondary market. It's sold out. It's pretty hard to get. It's quite rare. Beware of the fakes. Make sure you have, like you can see, like in this case, there's a serial number on this side. There's only 100 made, has to match the box. So I mean, it's a really, really cool looking toy. Sounds great, feels amazing in the hand. It looks awesome. So I love this guy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.